Hi everyone, this is Sharat. Catch me this week on RJ for a Day. Music which will give a start to your weekend. So be with me, Sharat, this Thursday on RJ for a Day, only on 106.2 Hum FM. भूलना नहीं है.
106.2 Hum FM for It's Me Yasha. Wish you a very happy weekend. Of course, weekend का time एक ऐसा time होता है when we all are thinking it's all about relaxing, it's all about entertainment, it's all about just doing nothing. लेकिन there are very few selected people जिनके लिए weekend का time is all about getting even more interesting, getting even more excited. And I think I should just introduce the person who's going to be super interesting for you guys. He's super excited to be here because this show is all about you people. It's just about what you think, what you feel. आप लोग अगर रेडियो शो होस्ट करें तो वो कैसा होगा? And I've got the RJ for a Day with me in the show, which is called RJ for a Day as well. And I think I'll let him do the talking as of now. Let him introduce himself only. Here we go.
Hello, my name is Sharat Ravi and I am your RJ for a Day on 106.2 Hum FM. Yes, I am very excited to be here speaking to all your listeners out there live across the country. And what a wonderful day it is. And the weekend is finally here. And for those of you enjoying the 2-day break from National Day, it's an extended weekend. It just gets better and better. The first two songs that I'll be playing for you today will be Tumse Hi from the movie Jab We Met, starring Shahid Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor, after which you'll be listening to the title track from the movie Wake Up Sid. So starting off, Tumse Hi and Jab We Met.
दिन होता है सुरमई शाम आती है तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना आँखों में आँखें तेरी, बाहों में बाहें तेरी, मेरा न मुझ में कुछ रहा हुआ क्या, बातों में बातें तेरी, रातें सौगातें तेरी, क्यों तेरा सब ये हो गया हुआ क्या। मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ तुमसे ही मिल जाता हूँ, तुमसे ही शोर में खामोशी है, थोड़ी सी बेहोशी है, तुमसे ही वादा, कभी आधे से ज्यादा, कभी जी चाहे कर लूं इस तरह वफा का। छोड़े न छूटे कभी, तोड़े न टूटे कभी, जो धागा तुमसे जुड़ गया वफा का। मैं तेरा सरमाया हूँ, जो भी मैं बन पाया हूँ, तुमसे ही रास्ते मिल जाते हैं, मंजिलें मिल जाती हैं, तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना, ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है।
Well, I'm afraid that's all the time we have with you today. And I hope you've had fun, because I have definitely had a lot of fun playing these wonderful tunes for you over the past 1 hour. But before I leave, there is one last song that I would love to play for you. This is the title track from the movie Rang De Basanti, sung by Daler Mehndi, one of my favorite films, all about the fire and passion that is there within India's youth today. This is Rang De Basanti.
All right, Sharad, we are more than happy to have you over here. It was amazing to have you, just juggling up with the songs and just lining up such beautiful songs. So I hope the experience was really good for you.
Yes, it was. It's been a wonderful experience, and yes, something definitely I'd like to remember for a long time to come.
For a long, long time.
Long time to come.
Alrighty, people, that was Sharad for you in the show, which is called RJ for a Day. And yes, as you already mentioned, that we are supposed to take your leave. Meri aapse mulaqat hogi inshallah sham 7 baje, and I'm going to play you only the party numbers, only the hard-hitting numbers in the Weekend Music Mania. Tab tak ke liye, you guys obviously stay tuned to Hum FM, and it's me, Yasha, wishing you each and every success in the world.
Is it the sin?